Okay, so hi dear Aquarius, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a no contact reading for all the Aquarius Sun Moon Venus rising from today till the 4th of May. Rules can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story, you can just skip the video. Okay, want to be, just leave that part. Okay, let's start. The person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are Aquarius. Let's see what's happening. We have the Ace of Wands, the World card, the Six of Cups. This person is feeling, Aquarius, that there is no more brand new beginnings in the situation. There is nothing possible in the situation anymore. Even if the situation is over, there is still unfinished business between you guys, because they can feel your energy around them very very deeply and all the time. So this person is definitely having severe nostalgia. They can't stop thinking about you. They can't stop thinking about the good times that you guys had with each other. But whenever they like think about having a brand new beginning or coming forward to make something happen between you and them, they are feeling blocked. They are feeling it's never going to happen. At the same time, there is a slight hope that it might happen someday, because they can feel your energies very very deeply around them all the time. Six of Cups is a card of nostalgia, feeling somebody's energy on a very deeper soul level. This is what it is. So they feel they're super connected to you energetically. They feel even if it is over, there's a slight hope. Maybe someday it's going to happen again. But at the same time, they feel like it's over and there will be no brand new beginning. Sometimes we live in this hope, 1% hope that maybe someday it will happen, we will come back. We are not actually missing the person, we are missing the memories. We are living in the memories, we are not living with the person there. That's what's happening with this person right now. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Aquarius. We have the Temperance and the Two of Cups and the Devil. See, they want to patiently wait for the time when they will be able to connect with you on a much healthier and peaceful kind of energy, like a soulmate kind of dynamic, without any kind of unhealthy attachments, toxicity, negativities, or third parties. They want to patiently wait for the time when this toxic situation, unhealthy situation, is going to convert into something deep and meaningful, so that they can reconnect with you on a beautiful soul level. Wow. So they definitely want to wait for the good times to come ahead in the situation. Right now, something is going on that's very unhealthy, that's very toxic, that they are trying to deal with on their own level, and they also want you to deal with this thing on your level. So maybe two people are very very good, like individually, but when they come together, they create disaster. So both of you have to individually heal your own energies, so that either you can come back in a beautiful way, or you guys can detach properly. That's the deal here. That's what they want. Let's see what action, if any, this person is going to take towards you by the 4th of May, honey. We have the Nine of Cups, the Knight of Swords, and the Page of Swords. Okay, there are very very high chances of this person connecting with you out of nowhere, like talking to you out of nowhere, like they are just trying to be happy, running away from you, watching you from a distance, da 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 da, running away, running away, running away, and boom. Hi Aquarius, how are you? I don't see them taking any kind of action where they're coming towards you with a marriage proposal or commitment or something serious. No, not at all. It's going to be very small, hi, hello kind of energy, where they might try to test the waters with you, and then if they are not going to get any kind of response, or if they are going to feel like, okay, it was a mistake or something, they are just going to go in their nest again and never coming back. Like, nope, not happening. So Yeah, severe nostalgia, intention of making it healthy, trying to connect, but not on a deeper level. That's what's happening here. For you, the guidance here is the Queen of Cups. It's like screaming self love, self care, and self healing right now at this present moment. The kind of love, the kind of things, the kind of energy that you want from another person, especially from a romantic partner. Right now, you have to give all of that love, all of that energies to yourself. Okay, that's very very important. Right now, nothing else and no one else can fulfill your own cup, fulfill your cups the way you can. So you have to do it from your side. You have to be your own lover, at least for the time being. I am being my own lover from the last 3 years, and I'm going to do it for the rest of my life. So practice self-love. That's going to help you. Hmm? Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.